The machine weighs only 26 kilograms, approximately a 50th the weight of a standard cutting machine. Crafted entirely through Laser Delta's in-house R&D, the DeskLite Cutter redefines desktop laser cutting. Next, we will demonstrate the startup and operation of the DeskLite Cutter. Connect the signal cable. Connect the gas line. Connect the power cord and plug the equipment into a stable power supply. After all cables are connected, turn on the power switch. The monitor screen will automatically light up and enter the main system operation interface. The cutting head performs a homing or reset operation. Cutting carbon steel material. If the material cannot fit, adjust the fixing frame. Use a hex wrench to loosen the screws. Adjust the frame size. Place the material. Then tighten the screws to secure it. Use the direction buttons on the main operation interface to move the cutting head to the specified starting point. Click Home on the main interface. Then enter File. Select the graphic file to be cut. Click the file name to view its parameter settings. You can switch layers in the parameter interface. Return to Home. Click Manual. Use the up or down adjustment buttons to move the cutting head to the desired processing position. After confirming the position, click Set Point. Then click Edge Tracing to preview the processing range. Edge Tracing. Press the marking button. The machine starts cutting according to the settings. When cutting is complete, the device stops automatically.